Hey friends, how's it going? Happy Friday. Welcome back. We're going to take a look at Camtasia 2024 is finally out. Wow. It is finally out and been waiting for quite a while here because obviously, as you know, I've been diving into AI and want to see what AI features are happening here. They're exciting. I'm excited. Now, as you know, Camtasia 2024, or Camtasia in general, is the king of screen recording. So there has been some great features in screen recording for the longest time. It's probably the best software for screen recording if you have it on local on your machine. Video editing can also be done with it. However, as you know, I found recent apps that are doing great things, and with AI, make the process for video editing more exciting, more fun, and faster. So, you got Flicky, you got CapCut, video, links in the description for those videos and for links to the apps. But besides that, we're going to take a look at the good things for this release, the not so good things, because we have to know those, and then see what the deal is with Camtasia. This is the first look. Haven't touched it. This is the first time. I have a sample here now that I did with CapCut. This is my latest video where you can check it out up there, and it's about D-Day, doing a sample video with Flicky. But here we are with Camtasia 2024. At first look, nothing really exciting changing in terms of the UI, and that's a good thing because you don't want the UI to change every year. You got your stuff on the left here. The one thing they have is the rearrangeable side of the menu, so that's cool because if you want to kind of set it up your way, you can do it that way. So that's nice. You can click, drag, and do that. The biggest thing that I see, so let's check out the new features as they are promoting them, right? So the new features being promoted are, I need to get used to the keystrokes in Mac for this, but anyway. So the new features, let's check out what's new. What is new in Camtasia 2024? We have captions. That's what I'm talking about. Dynamic captions. I usually call them animated captions. They call them dynamic captions. Maybe that's the video, technical term. So that's cool. It looks great. So the way to do that, as I understand, is you got your video, and many of the other apps out there are already doing this, right? So Camtasia is catching up to this. So innovation-wise, kudos for improving the product, but you've been behind already for about a year more. So Opus Clips does the stuff, Flicky does the stuff, InVideo AI does it, everybody else does it. And the way it works is it should be transcribed. So it should be nothing that you have to do really manually, which was the case before. Before also you had the local training thing, listen to your voice and you set up your captions. But none of that ever works because it's using the Microsoft engine stuff, and it's just not good. And what I mean by that is transcribing your text, your speech. So if you have an accent like me, forget it. You're done, right? Like that will be horrible. But captions, here we go. We have it set up. Actually, we'll see if that also is an issue or not. Accents, does it work? Does it not? So we have the video, and the way they say this works is you just come over, drag it, boom, and you should do that. Let's see.
Is use Flicky to create.
That's cool. So it's done a transcription already. So I think I did this as a test, and that's why it was so fast. But here it is. So I'm going to see what we got here. There we go. And drag that over because I want the whole thing.
Expedite the prompt here. I'm going to also very detailed prompt, a little more detailed prompt, see what happens.
Okay, good. Just want to take a quick moment to let you know about something you might like. If you are looking to start your own business, create your own branding kits, there's a great app called Luca. Luca actually provides you with everything you need, the full branding kit, just by entering a few answers and making a few selections on your graphics and colors. It will give you the full color palette. It will give you your presentation materials, logos in different modalities, and brochures, as well as social media banners. You can't beat it. It will save you a ton of time. I've used it for Corpraxis and many other brands. So check the link in the description if you want to find out more. So I'm doing that test, and it seems like everything works out well. Not a lot of yeah, so that's good. This is a good feature. So good feature there. Transcription, again, thank you for catching up. We're catching up here. This is awesome because I've been waiting for this. It has been an issue. That's why I started using other apps, because this wasn't available. Now, if I delete this and I switch styles, let's say, and I drop it, oh, doesn't matter. It's already, once it's processed, it does this thing. I'm going to bring in the next video and see what that can do for us. So here we go. I have a quick video here on the demo, on this demo. Buddy. All right, so I got this video here. Let's see. We'll move it over and we'll go back to captions. And now we're going to use this Veva stuff, put it here. And are looking to start your own business, create your own branding kits. Nice, nice. Okay, so I like that. I like this stuff a lot. And then when you click on the video file, you have the actual words. So you can, nice. Can you edit from here? Oh, yeah, you can. Okay, cool. So this is a good feature. I like that. This is well done. All right, kudos. No problemo there. So we got captions. The automated captions are pretty awesome. Good work. Like it. Let's go over to more new features. What is new? Dynamic captions is probably the biggest thing we're seeing. Also, we have some cursor click scaling. All right, cool. That's nice. Pretty simple to know what that is. And that will mean that, you know, when you're clicking on a down state on a button, you know, you got your button, you click on it, then your cursor will change to that. It's nice. You know, yeah, does it make a difference? Yeah, it's just aesthetics. It's cool. Neon cursor effects, all right, good. And editable cursor clicks. Now remember this, other apps, for example, CapCut has some effects to move objects and do that. There's this cursor click that you can move around and do effects on. But it's just an object, so it's not like the same, you know, we're talking two different things, screen recording and video editing, or, you know, video production editing. They have added some things to the ref workflow, so that's cool. And I think that's another plus. So the plus with that is that you can, if I go back to this homepage, you can actually open file in Camtasia ref. So if you had recorded something before that didn't have the stylings, you open it up and boom, there it is. All right, so I like that. That's kind of cool. And as a matter of fact, let me click there and see if I find something that I can pick on from there. Should be all right. Not that one. It's got to be a Camtasia project. All right, so here's maybe a drawback, that you cannot do this with previous versions, right? So it has to be a 2024 project, I'm guessing. I'm on a Mac, so I don't know. I have to find out more, but if you know about it, drop in the comments those thoughts. If it is, then it's a bummer because, man, it would have been cool. But I get it. If it's same version, that's all right. We can do that. Then back to the welcome. We have, what else is new? Speech to text, closed captions. So easy to add closed captions with new speech to text capabilities. All right, cool. I have to do a video on that, but what that means to me is that you can actually, they added neural NLP stuff, so you can record your voice. It must be out of voice narration, where you can record your voice and then have captions out of that. That's an improvement. Again, back to what we were talking about. But if it's the old stuff, then it's like, okay, not so much. Asset integration, search and apply assets right from the editor. All right. Okay. Yeah, I saw that a little bit, I think. That's the media. You got the Camtasia assets here now, and yeah, and then my libraries. So that's cool. Text stroke effect. Nice. All right. You can add text stroke to that, the stroke to the caps, which, you know, if you think about it, that's another catch up. That's a catch up feature. Tiling. Apply tiling effect to media, repeat horizontally and vertically. Okay, yeah, I can see for logos that can do something else. But that's it. That's all we got. Besides that, you got 19 new transitions. So, okay, adding transitions. We'll have to check those out. More videos coming. Behaviors, tremble and wiggle effects. Now, okay, nice. So that's catching up to CapCut. I think basically, in many ways, these guys are looking at CapCut and going, oh man, we need to add that and we need to add that. And then the toolbar reordering, I just show you that on the left here. All right, cool. So what do you think? Is it something you want to jump on? Here's the last bit of big knowledge you need to know, and something that will help you. This is the last version you're going to be able to buy permanently. They made that announcement. They're going to go into a subscription model. So now you will have to pay continuously on an annual basis to keep the next version of Camtasia, whatever that will be, maybe 2025, I guess so. So in that case, that's getting released. Not only, I heard that that's getting released in the fall here. So that's another factor as to whether you want to buy this or upgrade it or what it is. I upgrade it because I think this is the last version I use of Camtasia. There's just other tools out there, and for screen recording, I'm gonna keep this one just for the screen recording portion. If I make some courses, we'll get that. But what do you think? Does it do the trick? Do you like it? Are you gonna go for it? Let me know in the comments, and we can go from there.